Hey cookie loves, we are back at it and it's feeling more like fall. So in honor of fall and pumpkin spice, we will be decorating a pumpkin cookie. And I will be showing you not only how to flood a pumpkin cookie, but I will be painting on the cookies with poppy paints. I'm very excited to see what they can do. I'm starting off using my edible markers to draw my pumpkin on my pumpkin. I mean, you get it. I'm drawing my pumpkin parts. Anyway, I bought those off Amazon and I have them listed down below. Now, I've never had a problem with these. They last a very long time and they don't dry out. So I will have those in my Amazon storefront and the link is below. I'm going to flood the cookies in alternating sections and give them time to crust over so they can have that real pumpkin effect. Now I have some leftover icing that I separated, so once I mix that up again, it will be good to use and I will be using that for my stem. The fun part, this is the Poppy Paint Assorted Pack I got off Amazon. It comes with 9 colors and a paint thinner. You can use this paint to paint on all sorts of treats and all of that is listed on back of the box. Since this is my first time painting with these, I made 2 pumpkin cookies because if one didn't come out right, I would have a backup. And that's just what happened, but let's keep going. So I usually use Color gels and vodka when I paint. So I guess you can say I'm like a watercolor cookie person. I love to do watercolors. But anyway, when I first opened the box, I was like, do I add something to these? Because I'm so used to adding vodka. But no, you just paint straight onto the cookie. And let me tell you, this brown is definitely bold. These colors are popping, okay? So then I started with the orange and the same thing, very bold. So the cookie wasn't going like I had hoped, but this is why it is so important to read directions, guys. These paints came with directions. Remember how I said this set had 9 colors? Well, it comes with 9 colors and a thinner. So if you want a watercolor look, you need to mix the paint with the provided thinner. So my second cookie came out much better and much more how I imagined it to. Directions, always read them. So I went ahead and did my watercolor shading. I did darker around the edge and lighter on the inside. It really turned out how I imagined. And I have poppy paints in pastel colors and vibrant colors. So if you are interested in seeing how those colors look, make sure to leave a comment down below. And I don't mind doing the video on those guys because I'm glad I purchased these. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and share this with all your friends. Let's be baking besties. Bye, loves.